Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to set up unit of work in your ASP.NET Core application, or first of all you should know what is the unit of work, and like why we need this thing as well. So your unit of work is a design pattern which is used to manage your database transactions efficiently. Okay, so it ensures that multiple operations like insert, update, delete are treated as a one single transaction. Either all succeed or all the fails. Okay, like in case of failure, we roll back all such things that we made changes in our database as well. So in simple terms, if I explain you like we always group all DB operations into one transactions and commit them together as well. So this is the power of the unit of work. Or let's imagine why we need the unit of work. Okay, so let's uh, imagine a scenario without the unit of work. So every repository save the data independently, or there is a risk of partial updates and inconsistent data as well. But in case of unit of work, you will see that centralized transaction handling, or the second point that we are going to discuss about, like it has the better performance, we always call the fewer DB calls. Okay, or it has the cleaner architecture, especially with the repository pattern as well. So this is why we need the unit of work in your application as well. Okay, so let's say and let's see that how we will implement this thing as well. Okay, or let's build a SP.NET project from the scratch using uh, a unit of work and the repository pattern as well. Okay, so I will keep it practically for your level as well. Okay, so it is not just a theoretical, we will see it practically as well. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do here. Okay, I have already created the project, which is the API project. Okay, or there we will implement the clean architecture as well, so that we always do the we always follow the unit of work with the clean architecture. So let's see, or like how you will do this as well. So in the clean architecture we have four layers, but I have created only one layer, so rest of the layers we will create there. Okay, so then we will add a new class library, or we will add the references as well. So I will name it as a uow dot application layer. Or I hope you know the things about the clean architecture and how to set up the things as well. I have already dropped the video on our YouTube channel, so just go and check out the video there. Or in the simple terms, we have explained each and every concept using the CQRS pattern and and using your mediator library as well. Or the second, or now the third layer that we are going to create, which is the core. Like whenever you see the projects in the clean architecture, so you will see the core layer, or sometimes you will see the domain layer as well. Now the fourth class library that we are going to add, which is the uow dot infrastructure. Okay guys, just see all the things, like what the things I am doing here. Okay, or let's delete all unnecessary class files from here. Okay, or okay, that's good. Now we have to give the referencing of each and every layer to each other as well. So let's see that how the referencing works in the clean architecture. So your core layer is independent in this case. Okay, so I will right click on the application layer, or this application layers has the reference of the core layer. That's good. Now thereafter we will click on the API layer, or API, or this API layer will have the reference of the application layer as well. That's good. Now it's time to work with the infrastructure layer. So right click on the infrastructure layer, or we will add the project reference of the application layer, or this infrastructure layer will go to API layer as well. Okay, right click on the API layer, we will add the project reference of the infrastructure layer as well. So it means that your API layer has the two references of the class library. First is the application layer, and second is the infrastructure layer. or click OK or save your all your changes as well. Or now first of all you should know like what the things we put in such layers as well. So in the API layer we work with the controllers, but in case of application layers we put the interfaces services as well. In case of domain layer or the core layer we put the entities, like what entities we want to show in the SQL database. Or in the infrastructure we add the EF core repositories, your persistence or your unit of work will also be there. Okay, so these are some things that you have to understand the importance of the infrastructure layer as well. Now let's see like what you have to do here. Okay, or we need to add some packages as well. So before the things we will add here, so first I will add the new folder in the core layer, or I will name it as a entities. So entities, that's good. Or right click, or now let's add a new class, or the new class will represents as a product class. Or in the product class we I will add the few columns as well. So the first column that I want to add, which is the public integer id or public string name. Or that's the third thing that we are going to add, which is the public decimal price. That's good. So we have added such things as well. Now it's time to move to the application layer as well. Like I will keep everything minimal, okay, so that you will be able to see like what's the actually thing going on here. Okay, once you understood the things behind the unit of work, thereafter you will be able to work with that thing as well. Okay, now in the application layer we will create a new folder, or I will name this folder as a generics folder. Or in this generics folder I will add interface. Okay, or we will use this interface for the generic things as well. Okay, so I will name it as IGeneric Repository. That's good. Or okay, so let's make it as an interface. That's a really awesome thing. Now it's time to make it as generics as well. So we have make it as generics. Or let's do so many things regarding here. So first I will add task or I enumerable or get all async. So first we have created this method. For the second method that I'm gonna to add, which is the add async method. Okay, or it always requires to pass the t entity as well. So we have created the IGeneric repository. Now it's time to create the unit of work interfaces as well. So let's go there. Or I will add a new folder. In this new folder I will just add the things like interfaces as well. So I will name it as a I unit of work. That's good. Or this unit of work has this, or let's make it a public class as public interfaces as well. Or let me see. Okay, so it should be public as well. That's pretty good. Now first of all whatever we have created IGeneric repository, so we will use the IGeneric repository for the products as well. So what you have to do here, so basically I will add the IGeneric repository, or this generic repository requires to send the product entity as well. Or this product entities will be add the things like this. So we have added, now we have added the things. Or now it's time to require the task integer or save async. Okay, or this save async method has whatever the changes comes here, so we will save all those changes using the save async function. Okay, now it's time to go to the infrastructure layer. Or we will do some changes. We will add your FDB context, your entity framework core, also things we will require there. Okay, so first of all you have to install entity framework core packages in your infrastructure layer. Go to your browse section. or I will add the four entity framework core packages, or let's see like what the four entity framework packages that we require. Oh, guys, I just want to request you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whatever as well, and hit the like button. That's good. So we got this entity framework core, or let's install this entity framework core one by one. So first we will install Microsoft entity framework core. This package is required to work with the like ORM. Okay, like it is a kind of ORM where your objects communicate with your SQL database as well. Okay, so we have added the entity framework core. The second package that we are going to add .design. Okay, now the third package that we are going to add, which is the .sql server. All these packages are related to the entity framework core, so don't forget to add all these packages as well, otherwise you will get the error as well. So now we are installing the tools packages. That's good. Now there is a one important thing that you have to understand, that you have to install the same package which is a design package in the API layer as well. Okay, so just search for entity, or we will install the Microsoft entity framework core design, or just install this package in your API layer as well, or just click on the IXOP licenses as well. So that's pretty good. Now I will add a new folder, or I will name this folder as a persistence. Okay, but this persistence folder will have your appdb context as well. So I will add a class, or I will name it as a appdb context. That's pretty good. Public class db context, or this db context class will inherit the your db context class as well. Okay, or this db context class comes with the Microsoft entity framework core, or this package is already installed there. Okay, now we will add the constructor as well. Guys, we are using the .NET 10, or we can use the primary constructor as well, but I am going to show you that like we will follow the traditional approach as well, so that all the user, like the audience who are not like who are working with the .NET 6, .NET 7, so that they can aware about such things as well. Okay, now I will add a db set, or the we will add the products. Okay, this thing we have added here, or products gets. That's pretty awesome. Okay, now I am gonna I want to ask you, like have you done such things as well till here? If you are facing any issues, so guys, just like rewatch this video again, or if you have missed something, so you want to be able to work later in this video as well, so just go behind the scenes as well, so that where you get stuck. Okay, so at that moment, just restart the video again. Okay, now we created the FDB context. Now it's time to implement your repository as well, like your IGeneric repository. So I will create a new folder, but this new folder we will add as name it as a repositories. That's good. Or this repositories, let's copy this thing, or I will add a generic repository class as well. Okay, so I will remove this I. That's really very good. A public class generic repository as well. But this generic repository, like first we will mention the things like where your class generics as well. So we have added the interface of the IGeneric repository as well. Okay, now what you have to do here, we will add, like we will implement the method that we have defined there, which is the get all async, and the second method that we have added, which is the add async. Okay, so let's go there. First of all, I will add the dependency injection of the fdb context as well. So fdb, like what was the name of that thing? Okay, it should be fdb context, not a or add db context. Fdb context, or yes, I want to name the file name as a class name as well. That's awesome. DB content. Now it's time to add the constructor as well, or this constructor like we will inject your DB context as well, or we call it as a dependency injection. So guys, I hope you all are aware about dependency injection as well. So let me explain you why the importance of the dependency injection in the core as well. Before the core applications, we always use whenever we want to access the services from the other classes, so we just create the like objects of that class, or that or using that object we access those properties and those actions as well. But somehow we call it as a tight coupling, or tight coupling makes your code more cluttered, or even your code not looks like a clean code as well. So to make it clean code or for the performance buys, Microsoft introduced the concept of the dependency injections as well. Okay, so but it has the three lifetime as well. So first of all, we have added things okay, so to list async. Okay, so this get all async will add the things like underscore context set, or whatever we want to access using the generics, or to list async. Or now it's time to define the methods as well for the add async as well. So we have added the add async, or whatever we want to perform the operations on that thing as well. Okay, now it's time to add the your unit of work as well. So I will add the things, or I will name this thing as well. Okay, so we have created the unit of work as well. So let's add a new folder, or this new folder I will name it as a unit of work as well. For this unit of work I will add a class as well. Okay, unit of work, that's really awesome, or public class. But this unit of work will call your unit of work interfaces as well. The private, we will use the dependency injection of your FDB context as well. So I hope all such things that is mentioned things as well is correct. Okay, or if something is broken, so we will fix the things as well. So we have added the generics, your generic repository as well, or thereafter we will see have we done correctly or not. So first we have added the FDB context, that's really good. Okay, so or thereafter we have initialized the IGeneric repository, but this generic repository I don't think I should make it as a, let's fix all these things as well. So public, or I will name it as a products, or this products will have the get, we will add the get whatever the things comes with your products generic repository, or it is the type of your product, or we will pass the products as well, or where this product comes here. Okay, so let's see, or okay, so let me remove this thing as well. I don't need this thing anymore. First of all, we remove this thing. Okay, that's really awesome. Or in the save async function, we have created the save changes async method as well. So now let's see that what we have done so far in as well. Okay, so this is your FDB context, we have initialized there. Okay, or we have injected through the constructor. Now whenever we call the constructor, so all the things which is related to your products folder. Okay, hello guys, if you are preparing for your .NET interviews and if you want to switch your company as well, so definitely guys you will be required to prepare your .NET questions as well. But the problem is that how you will found all such questions, or all the demanded questions at one place. Okay, so we have given lot of content regarding .NET interviews. Okay, there you will see the things like .NET Azure interview questions, .NET AWS interview questions, SQL interview questions, your .NET scenario based questions, your .NET like API based questions. So all the things that you need, and even the .NET microservices questions as well. Okay, all such things you will found there. Okay, so this is our official TopMed account. Okay, or this is the dashboard. There you can get all the things that you will be required there. Just go to your digital product section, or there you will see all the things that that you will be required there. These are the common questions where the companies ask to the candidates as well. Okay, so don't miss the chance or crack your interviews with these materials. Even we provide you the one-to-one mentorship for your .NET career. Like if you are seeking the right path to crack the interviews, and if you want to see the right roadmap for your .NET preparations, so I am available for you on TopMed. Just go and check out there. Okay, or even you can DM me on a private DM section as well, and you can ask me directly by the chat options as well. Even I will reply you with the proper guiding as well. Like don't miss the chance, grab the offers, add the connection string. uh, uh, just wait for a few minutes as well. Okay, now builder dot services dot add scoped, or we will add the I unit of work or unit of work as well. So we have added the unit of work or I unit of work. That's a really awesome thing. Okay, now it's time to create your connection string as well. Or this connection string, I will add the connection string, or what is the connection string, which is the default connection. Pass your connection string as well. Or if something is localhost UOW connection, trusted connection is true, multiple active result set is true. Okay, or I will use the Windows authentication for my SQL server. Okay, along with that, what can do here? Trusted connection, trust server certificate. It should be true as well. That's I hope I have done all the things, all the required things as well. Now it's time to create a controller as well, or this control, through this controller we will access the API as well. So I will add a API like controller as well. So API controller, or it should name it as a product controller. Okay, or this product controller will have the method which is the uh, product controller, or through this product control I will initial, like I will use the I unit of work, or this unit of work this is the unit of work, or private read only I unit of work, or I will initialize my unit of work. I will inject my unit of work as well. Okay, now it's time to get your products as well. So I will get all products. That's pretty good. Public async task. So or thereafter I action results, get all products. Or through this unit of work, like I have bind all the things in the single transaction. Okay, or through this product table, I will, like through this product repository, I will get all the data from there. Okay, so in this way we can define the things as well. Okay, we have added, like I will create an API, or this API is also created there. That's really good. Or now first of all, like let's see that am I able to run the migration or not. Okay, because we have to, like we have used the code first approach, or this code first approach will reflect all the changes that we require in the database as well. Okay, so make sure that your connection string, your FDB context should be correct. Okay, so let's open your to package manager console, or I will add migration. db init, or we will create the migration files as well. Okay, so we forgot to change the default projects as well, so it won't run. Okay, so let's wait to stop the things as well. Okay, so we got it. Okay, now let's switch to the infrastructure, or I will run this thing again. Why we switch to the infrastructure? Because wherever your FDB context exists, there we will able to create your migration files as well. Okay, so please keep this thing in your mind. Like if you want to run your migration, so please find your FDB context as well. Okay, so we have created the things, or I will update my database with the changes as well. So update database, that's good. Or thereafter let me open my postman as well, or like we will these APIs as well to test our things that we have implemented there. Okay, so let's open your uh, or thereafter we will see like a few changes as well that we require, like that we can add there. Okay, okay, so I think that should work, or that's like it is now done. I will create an endpoint there. So packages, not packages, properties or launch settings, or this is your URL. Okay, or I will add a new URL here, or this URL will contains all such things that we have here. Okay, so guys, like what you have understand with your unit of work as well. Okay, I just want to know your opinion, or like have you understand like what we have done so far in this video. Okay, and now I will call the get product API as well, or if something will broke, so we will fix it as well. Okay, so let's run this application, or thereafter we will verify everything is working fine or not. Okay, so send your request, or thereafter we will be able to see like everything is working correctly or not, or our API is running now, or send your request. Okay, so now our API is running there, or I hope like I will get the empty array. So this is how like we got this empty array, or now I will create a new request for your like add the products as well. So duplicate, uh, click on the duplicates button. Okay, or I will add a new API endpoint as well. Paste it here. It should be post, or name, change this name as well. Okay, in this row I will add, like we haven't like we have no like we have not used the DTO as well. Okay, we will use the DTO, so just have patience. So AirPods, like for the testing purpose I have just used this thing. Okay, we will use your DTO as well. So price that I want to give, which is around $200.3, or let's run this API so that we can see. Okay, so we have created our product there. Okay, now let me explain you the things like what we have done here, or like what should you do here. Okay, okay, so we let's see the things from the starting. Okay, so first of all we will go to the product controller, but in the product controller we will go to the get all async. So let's go to the get all async method. So this is the implementation that we have added, which is in the like generic repository. Okay, so first of all we have injected your unit of work, or if first we will go to the product. So we have also in the products we have added the things as well. Okay, or this IGeneric repositories, it requires to use the your products as well, or this products having your all the things in the generic repository. Or this generic repository has the methods like get all async, delete, update. Like you have to create your own methods as well. Okay, or this implementation of this method is defined here, which is the add async. I hope you have understand like what the exact thing that I'm gonna to ask you, like how the things are working. I hope you have understand. Okay, or if you haven't understand these things as well, it's not a big deal. Okay, I will explain you each and every concept as well. Okay, so till here we have used your unit of work. Okay, or this is your product controller, or we are using the entities directly here, or but it is not a good practice. So instead of it, what you have to do here, you have to create the product DTO, or this product DTO will map to your product entities as well. Okay, so either you can use your mapster, or you can use automapper, or even you can use manual mapping as well. Okay, so it's all up to you, like do whatever you want to with this thing. Okay, my purpose is to explain you like how your unit of work looks like and how to set up this unit of work in the clean architecture as well. Okay, or this is the basic project, like basic idea of the like implementation of your unit of work, or the code will be provided you in the description box of this video as well, so that you can see the code structure, like everything is working fine or not while you are implementing in your product as well. Okay, so if you love this video, if you love this content, so guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, whatever as well, and hit the like button. I know like there are a lot of things that we have missed here, but because we have already covered all the required things like your fluent validations, your options pattern, your mediator pattern, all such things we have covered in the clean architecture dedicated video. Okay, so just go there, check out the video. In this video my purpose is to explain you like what is the unit of work actually is. Okay, and how to implement this feature, this thing in your application as well. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here, or till then take care, bye bye, have a good day.